All right, guys, so y'all have told me to go some places, and this is a place that y'all have told me to go to, and that's V's Jamaican Style Kitchen. It's a food truck over here on 105 and Major. So it's over here, right here on the Shell station. Let's go check it out. Let's see what kind of food I'm gonna get today.
I cook Jamaican food like jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, brown stew chicken, rice and peas, and much more. So I've been cooking since I was like really young, and I learned to cook from watching my dad in the kitchen. When I was younger, I love to watch him in the kitchen, and that's how I learned how to cook. Believe it or not, my most popular dish is my jerk chicken tacos. And then oxtail will be second, and definitely curry goat. Definitely the jerk chicken and the jerk shrimp tacos, they are the favorite. That's what my customers ask for every single day. I'm on Facebook, V's Kitchen Jamaican Style, and I usually post my menu the morning, whatever I'm cooking. And you can find me at 3795 Highway 105 in Major, the Shell gas station next to Sonic.
All right, guys, I'm over here behind the scenes at V's Kitchen Jamaican Style. She's preparing me some food. I got the jerk chicken. That's what Jamaican food is really known for. If you guys know Jamaican food, jerk chicken is one of their most popular dishes. You can find it usually on the side of the street, right? Like a lot of people, they serve on the side of the street. Yeah. So I'm excited to taste this. I actually been to Jamaica, never had actual jerk chicken, so I'm gonna try here from V. Jamaican food right here in Southeast Texas. Who would have thunk it? But it's here. V's making some delicious food. Check out the macaroni and cheese. Here is the rice and beans. Brings me back to my cruise days when I did go on a cruise to Jamaica and got me some rice and beans. I don't remember the jerk chicken, but V's chicken I will remember. Let's see how I like it. All right, guys, got the food. Let's go home and let's go ahead and eat it. All right, made it back home, and let's go ahead and eat this food. But first off, I want to tell you about the sponsor of this video, and that's Three Bros Running Company. Three Bros Running Company, we're putting on races here in Southeast Texas. Our goal is to bring big city racing to cities all across Texas, so y'all don't have to go to Houston. You guys can stay here right in the Southeast Texas area to run a race. Our next race is the Port Neches Labor Day 5K, happening on September 4th. We also have another race, October 7th, the Big Pumpkin Run. So make sure to sign up for those runs. Check us out on threebrosrunning.com. So let's go check out the food here. I'm excited. Jamaican food. This is the drink they told me to get. This is imported from Jamaica. It's called Cola Champagne. So let's go ahead, open this up. It is a twist top. Let's go ahead and give this a taste first. Almost, I would say like a Big Red. That's good. It needs a little bit of ice though. Let me get some ice. All right, there you go. Got some ice for my Cola Champagne. It's like a mango colored flavor, kind of orangey. Let's open this up right here. This is the food. This is the sauce that she told me I definitely need to eat with my chicken. And this is the dish right here. You can see it has all the Jamaican chicken over here, legs, dark meat, and then you get the rice and beans, and then the macaroni and cheese. So look at that. Look at all the seasoning on there. You see there's some peppers. I'm sure there's some cumin in there. Whatever else goes into it. Also 5 spice. She did say that 5 spice is a big ingredient for jerk chicken. So let's go ahead and taste this. I don't need a fork or spoon for the chicken. I'm just gonna eat that like this. This is a nice drum right there. Y'all see that? Let's give this a taste. Oh yeah. Got a little bit of a kick. Nothing too crazy. Might be a little hot for other people, but nothing too crazy. You can taste the spices, the 5 spice there too. Nice barbecue chicken or jerk chicken. Let's dip it in the sauce. Like a barbecue sauce. Also very good. This will go good with the rice and the macaroni and cheese. Let's taste the sauce by itself. Let's see. I can see what it is. This is her secret sauce. It's like a barbecue sauce. like a barbecue sauce. So let's taste the rice right here. Nice, everything's nice and hot, still hot. I got there pretty early. And let's try the macaroni and cheese. Solid macaroni and cheese. That's like macaroni and cheese that you grew up with as a kid eating, right? So the star of the show for sure is the jerk chicken. This is the star of the show right here, especially with the sauce. I'm gonna eat this actually with some rice mixed with some sauce. That's probably the way to go. So let's go ahead and do that. Get a piece of the chicken, some of the sauce, and then some with the rice. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Follow it up with the cola champagne. Great meal here. I'm gonna enjoy this. Lots of food here. 3 pieces of chicken, a bunch of rice and beans, and a bunch of macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna enjoy this. This gets a Beaumont Foodie thumbs up from me. Go check them out over there on 105 and Major at the Shell gasoline station. They're gonna be right there. She puts her menu up every day on her Facebook page. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys wanna follow me to the food, make sure to subscribe to me, leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.